Hey guys, it's Vasilios. This is Mobtown Kicks. It's been a while since we unboxed a shoe together. We got a special one today. Nike Off-White Dear Summer. Alright guys, so we got a really nice box here, this collector's box. We got the holes punched out, classic, minimalistic, off-white box here. So let's pop the top here. I'm not going to show you guys the lot number until we see the thing. I want to be surprised too, but you got this, obviously see the plastic is lined at the bottom of the lid there. We're going to lift this nice off-white yellow paper here. Wow, this is really nice paper. Which is, I know it's just paper, but good Lord, humor me. Anyway. Hello. Okay, so we got our first look at lot 6 of 50 off-white Nike Dunk Low Dear Summer. And holy moly, the materials on this thing, it's the first thing I noticed when I pull this thing out of the box. They are just phenomenal. Like, I love the embossed silver text here, the Beaverton, Oregon. The Nike, like that classic 1985, the unfinished look for the off-white shoes, and of course you got the face inside there, but you got the made in Vietnam tag. The zip tie, classic off-white zip tie, the pink tongue with the hole in it there. You got the crimson laces, just looks really, really clean if you ask me. The green accent tag right there. A little more embossing here, fall 2021. That's the release date there. And of course, this gray leather right here, that's super soft, very thick cut, nice leather. And then the white is all canvas. So really, really neat. And then you kind of got this like cream sail outsole here, or midsole, excuse me. And then the outsole goes back to that like soft smoke gray with that classic dunk cup sole right there. So just really, really neat, really, really cool. I really like the colors on this thing. There's not much you can say about it. I mean, there's a lot of variations. Obviously, like, again, this is 6 of 50, but let's get some glory shots of this thing here, because holy moly, this thing is just a beautiful looking shoe, and I'm really enjoying just like holding it. Like, this is the first time I've had an off-white shoe in my possession, and you really can't go wrong with something like this. Like, just looking at it, I know it's not everybody's cup of tea, but good God, they put some thought into this one. I know some folks think it's a little bit lazy, but it's a really neat looking shoe, and I'm really excited to have it. I mean, everything just ties in pretty well to this specific colorway. I mean, there are some out there that just don't work, believe me, I've seen them. But I mean, this is just a really neat looking shoe, and I mean, I just vibe with it. But thank you guys so much for tuning in. It's been a real pleasure to have you guys back again. Make sure if you like the video, like and subscribe. Tell your friends. We want to make this thing big, man. I want to get more content out for you guys, get some more sneakers in here, and let's have some fun with it. Also, I wanted to give a huge shout out to my friend Georgie the Greek for providing me with this awesome hoodie, the Space Friend hoodie from Bad Posture, the brand. He has this nice streetwear brand called Bad Posture. Go check it out. You can find it on Twitter. They have a nice little store. That's where I got this thing. Isn't he just great? I love this thing, man. It's adorable, mysterious, simplistic. I dig it. It's what I'm about. But go check out that too. And thank you guys so much for tuning in. This has been an episode of Mobtown Kicks. We'll see you next time.